Hey Gen Xers! I dove into 200+ pages of AI agent notes, 3 courses, and endless YouTube rabbit holes so you don't have to. Here's the 3-minute cliff notes on AI agents to supercharge your prompts and make life easier. If you nail the quiz at the end, you're officially an AI agent boss. Forget one-and-done ChatGPT prompts like, write my email. That's non-agentic drudgery. Straight line, vague results. Agentic workflows are your circular jam. Think, research, draft, revise, repeat until it's gold. We're not at fully autonomous Jarvis yet, but agentic prompting gets you 80% there without the sci-fi weight. True power? 4 agentic patterns from Andrew Ng. Reflection, tool use, planning, multi-agent. Mnemonic. Red turtles paint murals. Because who doesn't love a weird turtle squad? Multi-agent magic for real life. Single agent? Task plus goal plus model plus tools. Like a travel planner hitting Google Maps and Booking.com. Stack them for multi-agent crews. Sequential, hierarchical, hybrid, parallel, or async. Gen X twist. This is like your old PC workflow. Modular, no nonsense. Beats floppy disk one-shots. Use it for business reports or personal wins. Results beat solo AI every time. Per research. No-code demo. Your personal sidekick. Watch this N8N no-code beast. Telegram bot Inky checks your Google Calendar. Prioritizes tasks from voice/text. Even schedules. Task. What's today? Tools. Calendar read/create. Model. GPT-4o Mini. Boom. Filming slotted, errands sequenced. No dev skills needed. Just like wiring your Commodore 64. Adapt for Gen X wins. Recipe planners pulling from your fridge pics, grandkid schedulers, or client chasers that email automatically. Build your AI empire. Combinator Gold. Every SaaS gets an AI agent twin. Shopify agent for your side hustle. Canva for quick graphics. Pick one you use. Prompt an agent version. Career hack for us 70s kids. Automate the boring, crush consulting gigs. Grab your freebies and level up. Download my Gen X prompt pack. Agentic templates for calendars, emails, biz plans. Join me for AI prompts that work on first try, no fluff. Comment red turtles if you got this. Quick quiz. 1. Name the 4 patterns. 2. Sequential versus hierarchical. 3. No-code tool. Answer below. You're now AI armed. Next, Gen X AI for family chaos? Tell me. Peace out.